Hello everyone and welcome back to the Spigot Development tutorial, where in this video I will be showing you how you can create your own configuration files for your plugin. So I'm kind of going to split this topic into two separate videos, kind of like an A and a B, where in this video I will be showing you how you can kind of use the built-in like config.yml sort of system that's in the Spigot API, and then in the next video I will be talking about how you can create like your own custom like files and how to kind of manage those from within the plugin instead of like just changing them inside the file itself. So this one's gonna be a shorter video, and the next one's gonna be a bit more advanced and in-depth. But yeah, so to get started, I kind of have a pre-built config here. So we're just gonna create a config.yml here in our resources, and for an example here, this was the kind of basic config that I made. It kind of highlights all the different things that you'll most commonly see in a config, like the configuration sections, strings, integers, booleans, string lists. Those are kind of like the main ones that you'll see, and obviously there'll be like a lot of other ones that you might use, but they all follow the same general thing. So once you learn how to use these, you can use all the other ones. So to start off, we need to first save the configuration file from the plugin to the server itself. So to do that, we just need to do this dot save default config and our onEnable method here in our main class, and that's literally it. This will just save it for you. It'll just make a copy of your default one here, and it will just save it to your server. So to actually do anything with the config, you first need to actually get the config itself by doing, if I can type, this.getConfig, and here you will see a lot of different options that you can do for reading it. You can just get a generic object, integers, booleans, doubles, floats, lists, strings, longs, a lot of stuff in here, as I said, and I'm just gonna kind of show you the basics here. So I'm just kind of gonna go through all these and basically just print all these out just to kind of show you how it works, and that's pretty much gonna be it. So it kind of works like a tree in a way. So you'll have the path for just this top heading here would just be just heading, because it's kind of like the root of all of it, I guess. And then everything under that will just be kind of, you know, branching off from that. So like this would be heading.name, heading.value, heading.enabled, and heading.list. So I'm just gonna type all these out for you. I'm not gonna like bore you with me individually typing these out because it's literally just the same thing, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so right here you'll see all these print lines that I made, where I basically just kind of go down through the config and just basically print out every line. So I printed out the heading here, the name, the value, this boolean here, and this string list here. So if I quickly build this and I reload our server here, you will see that right here, you'll see our configuration section here. You'll see our name, our value here, this boolean, and the string list. And these can actually be changed in the file itself. So if I pull this up here, and let's say change the name here to test123, change the value to 91, the boolean to false, and like add ones to all these real quick, and I reload here, you'll see everything here gets updated on its own. So all very cool and pretty simple, and I will be saving all the complicated stuff for the next video. So that's really pretty much it for all of this, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.